welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this birthday glam right here. I am obsessed how this makeup look turned out. I'm obsessed with the lashes. I'm obsessed with the glitter. It wouldn't be a birthday glam without glitter. So if you guys want to learn how I did this look, then please continue watching. Hi my roses, welcome back to my channel. If you guys didn't see by the title, I am going to be doing my birthday glam, my 21st birthday glam. I'm finally going to be 21 on January 19. I was actually brainstorming on what to do, and I wanted it to be super glam, not bedazzled, but you guys know what I mean. I feel like I shouldn't really be talking about this kind of product, but because the product is super expensive to me, I just got it in a PR to try it out and stuff. I cannot lie to you guys, this has drastically changed my skin. Like, I had a lot of dark spots here and they're almost gone. This right here, this is the Roden Oleo Lusso Luxury Face Oil. I don't even break out anymore as much as I used to because of this. I'm not even kidding. It has like an herbal scent, which I don't mind, but I know a lot of people don't like that, so just letting you guys know that. The next product that I'm going to be using is this Ole, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Ole Hendrix? Ole Hendrickson. I don't know. This is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. And then I also take it on my eyelids because very dry here in Las Vegas. So now I'm just going to be applying my lip balm from Vaseline. This is the lip treatment. So now we're gonna go ahead and do our primer. The one that really like makes my makeup last, makes my makeup look good on top of my skin. I feel like I have to go with the Smashbox Photo Primerizer. This primer has changed my whole makeup game, to be honest, because it really just hydrates my skin, but it doesn't make me look like super oily or super shiny, and it makes my makeup stay for a really long time. A little bit goes a long way. So now you guys don't have to do this, but I do it because my nose tends to get super oily throughout the day. So I get my Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. This one is really good for very oily skin. Like, the nose area is always everyone's problem, and trust me, for me too. I always prime my nose with this. I don't do it all over my face because it will get really bad. I cannot do my makeup without my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is a must. This is like, I cannot miss this on my makeup routine or else my makeup will not look good. So I'm just gonna spray some of this. So now that we have our face primed and set, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because, again, I have an eyebrow routine. If you guys haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. It's very informative, and I just show every single step I do to make my eyebrows look on point as possible. So if you guys want to watch that brow tutorial, it'll be on my description box. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my brows done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. I've been doing this for like almost 2 months, and I really do like doing this. I like doing my eyes first and then my foundation. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just gonna be blending it with this Morphe Y19 brush. Okay, so now that that's good to go, I'm just going to be setting right underneath my brows. Set it with this Fenty Beauty, the blotting powder. Alright, so for today's eye look, I do want to use something new and something that I haven't tried. I really wanted to use this Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette, and I love the name. And the packaging is super cute. It's rose gold. The lettering here is also rose gold, and this is rose gold. So, and then again, here are the names in this translucent paper, and then here are all the shades. So I'm very excited to try the palette. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is Creamer with this Makeup Shack T12 brush. This is going to act as a transition color. Oh, that's such a pretty color, and it's showing up really good on my skin tone. Alright, so for the second shade, I'm going to be taking a different brush. I'm going to be taking it with this Morphe M518 brush and just taking Frenchie, this one right next to Creamer, and I'm going to be applying this above my crease. And I am going to be using glitter for this look. The glitter that I've been really loving are from the Violet Vase collection. I know it's a collection, but I don't know the name of the collection. But if you go to their website and you see their glitters, they're literally jaw-dropping because they're so pretty and very unique. That's what I really like about those loose glitters. And I'm also going to be dragging this shade kind of like a wing. I go down and then up, down and then up. So down, up, down, up. See? I'm going to do this side on camera and then this side probably off because I really want to concentrate. So now I'm going to be taking a different color with a different brush. Now I'm going to be taking Mojo and I'm just going to deepen up the crease. Are you guys surprised that I didn't use orange as my transition color? And I'm picking it up with this MAC 217 brush. I feel like a birthday glam for me should be like colors that I'm comfortable with. I'm not going to use like pinks or blues or purples, you know. We're pretty good to go now, but I am going to be taking Frenchie again with the Morphe M518. And I'm just going to be applying this on the outer corner and also the inner. I'm going to do a halo eye. And I feel like this brush is actually way too big. I'm going to be actually taking it with this M514. I am going to be doing a half cut crease because we are doing a halo eyes, and for that I'm going to be using the MAC 242 brush. I get really confused and say 224 instead of 242. I don't know, but I'm just going to be doing the line first and then looking up, and then here's where I stop. I'm going to be taking Frenchie again, but this time with a Morphe M507 brush. And it's like a little detail brush that I'm just going to literally get rid of any harsh lines we have going on. Kind of like going back and forth, up and down. Now for this part of the eye, I'm going to be taking Crystal. It's this one right here. It's a beautiful like champagne color. And I always, no matter what, I always take Fix Plus and spray some of it just to intensify the color a little bit more. I feel like it really does help me. And I'm just going to apply this right on the middle. And with a different brush. This is a brush that comes with the Vanity Planet set. This is like a really detailed flat brush. I just love how flat it is, that it really just gets in there. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to be looking. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did this eye off camera because I feel like it was going to take way too long to do it on camera. So now for the fun part, I'm so excited because I'm going to be taking this Violet Vase glitter in Champagne Kisses, and it's this color right here. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to be taking, as always, my liquid sugar glitter adhesive, and I'm just going to apply this right on top of this, right on top of that. Oh, that looks so good. So pretty much like you're putting all the glitter right above the cut crease, and it's kind of looking like if it's falling, kind of like a waterfall. Pretty much we're good to go. If you guys want to keep it like that, go ahead, but since, you know, it is my 21 birthday glam, I am going to amp it up a little with, this is again from Violet Vase. This is the Treasure glitter. It's like way more chunkier. Then we're just gonna add the chunks of glitter right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is looking so pretty right underneath. Don't put it so much up in the crease. We're pretty much good to go, but if you guys want to be extra like me, I'm just going to be taking my Midnight Cowboy heavy glitter, and then I'm just gonna do kind of like a line right here. a little detailing. You see it? So we're pretty much good to go with our eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and all that, but I am going to clean up this right here just to make it like sharper. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes now. I'm gonna be using my Makeup Shack Dubai lashes. These quickly have just became one of my favorite lashes. So now I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of mascara. I'm going to be applying the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. So I'm just going to be applying lots of this on my face. And then I quickly became obsessed with this Tarte Kabuki brush. It's so good, you guys. Like, it just blends out so nicely and it's fast. I really recommend this foundation if you're trying to go for like a more longer wear, because it is a full coverage foundation and yeah, it's gonna last way more longer. So I really recommend this one. If you guys are wondering what I'm gonna do for my 21st birthday, you guys are probably wondering like, oh, she's gonna go to a club in Vegas. No. I'm actually going to be in LA for my birthday, but Maybelline has invited me to stay with them at their Maybelline mansion, I think. And I feel like it's gonna be really, really fun. So yeah, I chose that instead of clubbing and all that. Then I also drag it all the way down my neck and then my ears. Don't forget the ears. Alright, so now that we're good to go with our foundation, I'm going to go ahead and do my under eyes. I'm going to conceal first, and then I'm going to highlight. I'm going to conceal with this Kevyn Aucoin concealer and E6. Okay, so now I'm going to be blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. I applied my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and the shade Ginger. And now I'm going to be cream contouring with my Wet n Wild contour stick. And then I'm going to blend it out with this iconic London brush. This is such a good brush to blend out your contour because it's angled and it's dense, so it's going to blend your contour very seamlessly. So now I'm going to be setting my under eye concealer with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I get the shade 10 because it's like the perfect shade for my under eye. It brightens up my under eye. And I don't bake with this anymore. What I do is just kind of set it first and then I melt it into my skin. It's just so flawless underneath my eyes. And a lot of you guys wonder if I get any flashbacks, but I don't. That's why I love this powder so much. It's perfect for flash photography. Now I'm just going to do this very quickly because I feel like you guys have seen me do this a bunch of times. So if you guys haven't seen my tutorial transforming my older sister into me, you guys know that I used this brush to bronze her up, and it was actually my first time using it to like even bronze, and I really love it. I really liked how her contour came out and her bronzer, so that's why I'm using it today, and I'm not using my Japanese brush. So we're good to go with that. I'm gonna go ahead and contour now. If you guys are new to my channel, I do bronze and I do contour a lot, and I contour with this Becca Sunlit Ipanema Sun bronzer, and I like taking my Makeup Shack T21 brush. So now for blush, I'm going to be taking my favorite Benefit California blush. This is such a good blush, you guys. I'm going to be taking it with this Morphe M505. Alright, so we're almost done. I did my lower lash off camera just because what I did to my crease, I did the same thing to my bottom lash line. So yeah. So I'm just gonna let that sit. Meanwhile, I am going to be doing my highlight. For liquid highlight, I'm going to be using my Violet Voss Glow with the Flow Prismatic Highlighter. And for today's highlight, I'm going to go with my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. I'm just going to be applying this. Oh, so pretty. So that is it for the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and lip line my lips with the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner and keep it spicy. And I'm going to be applying Dose of Colors Toast Lipstick. And you guys don't have to if you guys don't want to, but I am going to be applying gloss. This is the Dose of Colors and Desi and Katie collaboration and Over the Top. So this is pretty much it for the look, you guys. Alright guys, so last but not least, I'm going to be taking my Glam Glow Glow Setter. Alright guys, so that concludes my birthday glam. I loved how it turned out. This was never like thought of. I just did it and I love how the look came out. The eye look looks so good. I love the glitter. You guys know that I had to do glitter for my birthday. It's like, it's not a birthday glam if it doesn't include glitter. So I really hope y'all enjoy this makeup look and thank you for getting ready with me and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys!